Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW Tips and Tricks, and the gentleman I was trying to help with the envelope effect wanted to do a hotkey to do this. So this is our envelope, this is our size. We want to make this Steve the same size. We'll go to Object, Copy Envelope Effect, and then click on our envelope. So we can make a hotkey for this, but it's not going to save you that much trouble. But we can go to Tools, Options, Customization. It's not going to give you too much help, I don't think, but go to Object, Copy Effect, and Envelope. So there's our copy effect, and we're going to go right here. We're going to add a new shortcut. I'm going to make it the Shift-E and assign it and say OK. And then when we click on Steve, all I have to do is Shift-E, but you still have to pick the envelope tool and then pick your envelope to make that work. I've tried a macro, it just doesn't work, or at least I can't get it to work. But so we're going to select Doug now, Shift-E, envelope, pick our envelope, and it's going to make, so it made all three of those words the same length. If you look, 19.226, 19.226. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.